Are you looking for details on Car Diagnostic? What do I get for my diagnostic fee? When your check engine light comes on, a trouble code will be stored in one or more of your vehicle's computers. There are certain conditions, usually 4 to 5 specific criteria, that have to be met for a trouble code to set, and it is vitally important that the technician who is diagnosing your car checks all of them before he or she makes a repair decision. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, is effectively the tip of the iceberg. The trouble code takes you to an area for further testing to properly determine where the real fault is. The diagnostic fee allows us the time to thoroughly test and accurately determine the real cause of the warning light using the professional test equipment we have invested in. As a company, we subscribe to a professional auto repair information system as well as the most thorough database in the industry of proven experience-based repairs from the best technical experts in the auto industry. Our engine diagnostic services help us to provide you with an accurate diagnosis of your vehicle's engine problem and a repair that is done correctly the first time. Get in touch with our business as soon as possible for further details on Car Diagnostic.